Hello everyone, welcome to InfoComm Show 2026. This is Kevin from Vistech Technology. We are from the Shenzhen, China. And we are the original factory to make the MIP and COB panel. We are the original factory, not the MIP person. So you are good to cooperate with us. And today I want to introduce this another LED screen. This kind of LED screen is a MIP 1.5 LED screen. This is for the outdoor stage lantern van and for permanent fixed installation. It can be curved, as you can see. It had this angle. It can be curved. It can make a cube LED screen. So it's very light. Use the fiber material to make it, and this design is very awesome. If you can see at the it's more high brightness. The brightness over 4,000 nits. Yeah, it's MIP. We don't need to do the calibration. It's better than the COB because COB need to do the calibration. This guy is a good LED screen. If you want to get more information, can visit our website to find this kind project, this kind of LED screen, and can contact with us. We had a local service and warehouse in the United States, and we do the better after-sales service. If you want to contact with us, can follow our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you.